Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. In our previous lecture, we have studied about how to set shortcut key for a particular function or a button in Odoo 19 for our custom module. Now in today's lecture, we will gonna study about what is inverse attribute and how we can set computed field not read only. What I mean to say is currently I am in my library management module. Now if I go to the person's view and see this progress bar, it is a read only field. Why it is coming read only? Because it is a computed field. Remember guys, if the field is a computed field, then that particular field will be set as read only. For better view, I will just remove this widget for more proper example. For that I will simply go to the view, and here in my form view I will just remove this particular widget just for your information and make it more clear understand of the example. Library management, person's view, admin. See, currently you can see the progress bar is set as 75 as per the book, right? Now you can see it is a read only field, which means I cannot able to edit. Now what if I want to edit a particular computed field? So in order to do that, we need to use inverse compute field for that particular field. And while adding that attribute, it will help us to edit this particular read-only computed field. So let's see in the example. What I'll do, I'll go to the code. Here in the library person model, see here is our progress field and here is our compute method. Now what I'll do, I'll simply add another method name with attribute inverse is equals to comma inverse progress bar, and I will simply create a function for it. If and here self, and in that function I'll simply iterate over self, and simply I will add rect dot total books is equals to integer value of rect dot progress slash 25. I have created a very small function just for your example. What I have done, I have created a small inverse function. What it will do, it will help us to edit the particular computed field function. While editing, we also want to save our functionality properly, or else our code will break or throw any error. For that I have created inverse function, and what I have done, I have simply iterated over self and calculated total books based on the progress. Now what I'll do, I'll simply restart my server, go to the apps, then upgrade our module. After successfully upgrading our module, go to the library management, person's view, open the record. See, now this particular field is editable. Now what I'll do, I'll simply change the value. See, when I change the value, the books is set as per the particular function. So in many cases, you need a computed field to be editable. So in that case, you need to use the inverse attribute, or which is also known as inverse compute method for the particular field. So let me summarize today's topic. What we have done, we have created a inverse function. What this function do? It simply makes the computed field function editable, which is helpful for our requirement. So in order to do that, all you need to do is go to your code, In your field, you need to add an attribute known as inverse is equals to followed by your function. And in your function, you need to simply add your functionality so that it won't break the code or else it will throw an error. Then simply restart your server and upgrade your module. You will see your functionality working. I hope this topic had been understood by you. If there are any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, thanks for watching.